Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. First thing we need to do is to open the watch application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. In the app, find the option called General and tap on it. Here, scroll down and find the option called Reset. Once you find it, tap on it and then tap on Erase Apple Watch content and settings and tap on Erase all content and settings to confirm. Tap on it again and you will need to enter the Apple ID password to confirm that it's you. So enter the password and then tap on Erase button in the top right corner to confirm. And once you see this message on the screen, bring iPhone near your Apple Watch. It means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.